Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change a profile picture on the Depop mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Depop app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now you will see your profile page. Tap on your current profile picture at the top of the screen. A menu will pop up asking if you want to take a new photo or choose from your photo library. Tap choose from library to pick a photo you have already taken or tap take photo to snap a new one right now. If you pick from your library, scroll down and tap the photo you want, then adjust or crop it if needed and tap choose or done. If you take a new photo, snap the picture, then tap use photo. After selecting your photo, Depop will upload it and update your profile picture. And that's it, your profile now has a fresh new picture. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.